Hi friends, and thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you are having a great day. Today I'm so excited because this is my first Decorate With Me video for this season, and it is a special one because I have teamed up with my friend Gladys to share with you how we decorate our entryway for the upcoming season. So make sure you stay tuned. Like I've mentioned in my previous video, I'm only going to be doing 2 Decorate With Me videos for this season, and this one being the first. The second one will be my kitchen, and you guys, you really do not want to miss that because I am doing the gingerbread theme in my kitchen for the very first time. But enough about that, let's get back to this video. I have teamed up once more with my beautiful friend Gladys from Gladys the Berry, living clutter free, and we wanted to share with you some inspiration and motivation to decorate your entryway for this season. And I'm happy to be teaming up with her once more because I absolutely love her style. It is very elegant, minimalistic, and so pretty. Make sure you definitely go check her out after you've watched this video. I will leave all the details in my description box below. Now, if you're coming over from Gladys' channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm so happy to have you, and I do hope that you like this video and my other content enough to subscribe and stick around. Now, this year I decided to go with a more simple look. I'm going to be doing a traditional meets rustic look. Now, I've had these picks for a while now, and I can give you a tip. The one that I just showed you, I picked it up from the thrift store, and you guys, that's such an affordable way to add these to your collection because picks can be very pricey, and I tend to pick them up wherever I find them at the thrift store for about €1 or so, because if I buy them new in store, they will definitely cost more than that. Now here I'm just creating this evergreen arrangement in this vase that I had upstairs in my bathroom for fall. It was also a recent thrift find. Now I love making these arrangements for Christmas because they do add such coziness to the space, and you will see them in my home tour that they are all around my home. Now for the touch of rustic, I am adding this gorgeous Christmas tree. I did a haul on this a few years ago, and I am so loving this. Now I am adding, for the traditional touch, these cones that were a DIY. I made them from some package that I had left over, and this red and white striped fabric. Now I made this one night. It was past midnight, and I was looking on Pinterest for some ideas, and I saw these coming by, and I thought I can easily do that. So I didn't film it, and that's why I do not film DIYs anymore, because the time that I do them, it is so inconvenient to film. Now I love red for Christmas. Red screams traditional to me. So I'm adding this lantern that I got last year. And the other day I was at my local thrift store, and they had a bunch of these cute little IKEA photo frames, and they were all red, and I picked them all up. There were a total of 5, I think, 4 small ones and a larger one. This one was the largest one, and I was so happy to come across them because they were only 10 cents a piece, you guys. So I got a total of 5 for only 50 cents. Now I'm hanging up this fur light up Christmas tree here at my mirror, and I'm loving this, you guys. Now this isn't on a timer, so I do use charge up batteries, so I'm going to keep this on day and night. Whenever the batteries are done, I will change them for new ones. Since I stored away the lamp that I had here, I didn't have any lighting, so I'm adding this string of Christmas lights to my arrangement, and I will put this on a timer so that it will go on and off by itself. And I'm going to show you in real time the struggle of tucking away the string lights so that they don't show all that much.
Turning yellow, the air is getting cold. My mind is feeling mellow. The days so far are growing old. When I say that your arms should always be around me, come the day when the snow is falling over all we see. I wake up from a slumber to the sound of carol songs. Despite the stress that we've been under, I feel today can't turn out wrong. No, holding on to the feeling of complete devotion. When I'm gone, I will leave behind my love for you, my dear. Hope and laughter closing in on me, bringing the joyful harmony. 'Tis the season to be young and free.
I wanted to spruce it up a little bit more and adding a bit more red, as if I didn't have enough, but I really love the red in this space. And I am going to make a cute little bow with this red and white ribbon that I had, and you are going to see me struggle again because I am so terrible at making bows, and I wanted to do it a little bit different by curling up the tails. Drop me a comment below if you struggle with some simple things like this as well.
I'm gone, I will cherish all the love I feel for you. Hope and laughter chasing after me, to bring on joyful harmony. 'Tis the season to be young and free. Oh, hope and laughter closing in on
And for the final touch, I am adding this faux fur rug that I have. I really love this during this time of year, and when it is winter they just add so much coziness to the space. And you know that I love covering up this bench. Now I had this pillow cover. It was a DIY that I did a while back. I do believe I have a video on how I did a DIY pillow cover like this one. So in case you're interested, I will link it below, and here is the final look. I also want to share with you my new furniture knobs. I picked these up at TK Maxx. I really love these. They are so elegant. You might remember the ones that I had here. They were a DIY. I spray painted them gold, but I didn't really like to look all that much, and I was holding on to them until I found these one. And you guys, I am loving how this space turned out. I love this touch of rusticness with the more traditional look and all the red. It is just so cozy and so inviting, especially because it is in my entryway and it is the first thing you see when you enter my home. Now you guys, don't forget to head over to Gladys and check out her entryway, what she did for the Christmas season. I am positive that you won't be disappointed. And again, if you are new from her channel, thank you so much. I am so happy to have you. Now, for now, that is going to be it for this video. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I see you in my next one. Bye.